What's up, guys? I am back with an interesting question, and basically comes down to this: there are trusts set up that buy uh, cryptocurrency, and basically you invest in those companies, or should you just invest straight into crypto like Bitcoin? Right now, it's February 17th. Bitcoin's at all-time high. Last time I checked, it was reached 52K. I have done previous videos saying I'm waiting to buy until it drops down back in the low 40s to buy, which I think will by fall. Some people are predicting by March now, just how aggressive it's been and having it correct itself due to inflation and other factors. So, long story short, do your own research. The information we present here, I had to do a little bit of digging because a news article came out, I believe Yahoo Finance, and I guess across the financial industry, that there's a company called Grayscale Investments, and they deal with cryptocurrency trusts. Now, what exactly is that? So, first off, Grayscale is the world's largest digital currency asset manager with more than $37.8 billion in assets under management as of February 12th. As you remember, last week or the week before, last week, Tesla just purchased $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, which that was last week. So now they're up in their investment, you could say, or their cash with that. But anyways, so this company, Grayscale, they're the number one or largest, basically crypto holder as an asset manager. So, meaning that this company invests in cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other ones. And you compare that to, like, say, Berkshire Hathaway, they invest in companies through stocks. So it's similar in that approach if you think of it that way. Now, there are some disadvantages to answer the question, should you invest in Grayscale versus crypto directly? And I did research on this. There's basically two disadvantages with Grayscale. So Grayscale charges you an annual fee. Okay. Two, you pay a high premium. Okay. So you have the annual fee to hold on basically stock in their trust and a premium. Now, how is this premium determined? It's percentage based upon how much, let's say you go into their Bitcoin trust fund. That's based upon the cost of Bitcoin. So I didn't see the percentages, but if it's like 8%, let's just say, if Bitcoin's at 50K, then they're going to charge you whatever your shares are for at 8% of 50K. So it can fluctuate tremendously for holding on to that. So basically, the market dictates how much you pay in fees, which is kind of crazy. So those are the main disadvantages I read from a lot of other analysts that talked about this. And just I'm looking at Grayscale's website. I mean, they have trust across the board here. Where's the website? So, I tried to look for advantages of why you would want to invest in trust fund or trust. I keep saying trust fund, in a trust investment like this, in a company like this. And I really didn't see anything that that would, warrant to do it. So I think my opinion is that the reason why you want to invest in a company like this that handles crypto, all these cryptocurrencies, is that maybe you're with the brokerage that you've been there for a while and they don't offer crypto. And this is a way to own crypto, but not really own it. And obviously that stock price can go up based upon the fluctuation of how much Bitcoin is worth and the other cryptos that they may have assets of, and also if they keep on purchasing assets of. So that's the only advantage I could see, and there's never really that much of an advantage if you don't want to open up on one of the exchanges or anything like that else. However, just be careful, guys. I said this before, never buy crypto on Robinhood. Once you buy on Robinhood, it's really just paper. You really technically don't own crypto. So you buy Bitcoin on Robinhood. If you want to transfer that Bitcoin to, let's say, an online wallet or an exchange, you're going to have to cash it out first through Robinhood and then send it over to your bank and then back over to wherever you want to send it to, exchange, wallet, whatever. Now, the thing with that is, especially if you want to hold on to Bitcoin for long term, once you sell it and you've had it, let's say for like a month, let's just say, it goes against, it's just like capital gains tax. So you're going to pay taxes on it. Robinhood at the end of the year will send you the appropriate form for you to file it with your taxes that you made a profit if you did make a profit. So, and short term is any stock you own, or any stock, even crypto. If you own it less than a year and you sold it, that's called short gains. Short capital gains. Once you have over a year stock or crypto and you sell, you make a profit, you still pay taxes, but it's not as much as a short gain. That's long-term gains. So just keep that in mind. I do have a couple of exchanges down below that you click on. There's some incentives to join. That if you are looking to invest in crypto or looking to see how it works, obviously sign-up accounts all free. There are different verification processes that each one of these different exchanges have and wallets have. So just keep that in mind. So to answer the question, is Grayscale better to buy than crypto or Bitcoin directly? I'm going to agree with a lot of what people are saying is no. Invest in Bitcoin, especially if you're doing a long-term strategy. This is going to cost, investing in Grayscale directly is going to cost you a tremendous amount of fees, and it's just not worth it. Especially you don't technically own Bitcoin. I mean, it's an indirect way of owning it, but you don't own it. You don't own the private keys that that you can say it's yours. So if you guys have any questions, comments, drop them down below. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Again, I have links down below. Check those out as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, peace.